Hey there, online shoppers. Let's talk about applehauls.com. If you're searching for crazy deals on iPhones or Apple Watches, you've probably seen this website pop up. But should you trust it? Here's the real deal. Applehauls.com is raising a ton of red flags, and I'm here to break it down for you. First, legitimate Apple products? They're only sold at apple.com or official partners like Best Buy. If you see a site with Apple in its name that isn't one of those, I'd run the other way. These copycat sites are notorious for impersonating real brands just to trick you. Second, let's talk prices. If something looks too good to be true, like a brand new iPhone for half off, it probably is. Scammers love using low prices to lure people in, but what you get, if anything, might be a cheap knockoff or maybe nothing at all. And check this out. People on Reddit and Quora have reported the same story. They ordered something, got fake AirPods instead of an Apple Watch, or never got anything. And when they tried to contact customer service? Radio silence. Plus, these sites sometimes delete payment records to block you from getting a refund. So, how do you stay safe? Double-check the URL every time. If it's not apple.com or a well-known retailer, don't risk it. If you want a real deal, stick to Apple's certified refurbished store. It's the only place with genuine discounts and a guarantee. And if you've already given out info, change your Apple ID password now and report the site to Apple or the FTC. Don't let scammers steal your money or your peace of mind. Stay sharp, shop smart, and share this with anyone who loves a good deal. Subtitle: Is applehauls.com a scam?